Welcome students. I am Ari Pasman from MGSS Darbhanga. My dear students, today I want to teach chapter 1, learning about maps. In your previous class, you have read the maps are drawing of the earth's surface of a part of it on a flat surface. The person who makes maps is called a cartographer. The work of making map is called cartography. Usage of maps. Maps show the locations of continent, countries, states and cities. Without maps, we would not have known how our country looks. Second, maps help us find and travel to unknown places. Tourists often use maps to find locations when they go to a new place. A map shows more than one kind of information. For example, if a map shows locations of states and towns, it can also show what kind of crops are grown in that state. Direction. A map usually has a compass rose to show the four cardinal directions: north, south, east and west. Most maps are drawn with the north direction at the top of the page, shown with an arrow's mark N. You can find out the major direction with the help of a device named compass. Symbols and colors. Different colors and symbols are used to show different features such as mountains, rivers, cities, ports, borders, and so on. On a map, cartographers use symbols or colors on maps to give plenty of information in a small space. Symbols are drawn like the object they represent. For example, a cloud with water drops is used as a symbol for rainfall. Different colors are used to show different physical features, themes, and so on. For example, brown color is used to show mountains and yellow color represent desert. Types of maps. Different types of maps are made to show different features of a place. Mainly maps are of three types. First, physical maps show physical features of the earth such as mountains, rivers, forests and so on. Political maps show countries, cities, towns and continents. Thematic maps give a particular kind of information about an area or about a theme such as weather, transport and population. These are also called special purpose maps. Maps and globes. The shape of the earth resembles an orange. Therefore, the true shapes of all countries, continents and oceans cannot be shown on a flat map. The true shapes of the countries, continent and oceans can be seen on a globe. A globe is a small ball like a model of the earth. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. A globe is a spherical model of the earth and shows earth as seen from outer surface. Second, you can see all places on a map at the same time. It is difficult to see all places on a globe at the same time. Third, a map can provide detailed information about the smallest area on earth. It is difficult to give detailed information about a particular place on a globe. Maps are easy to carry around. Globes are difficult to carry around because of their size. That's all.